there are two factors appear the most important in relation to clinical perforation repair. First, material selected. Second, matrix or barrier. Let's see the material. We need a material to close the perforation. And you can imagine, in dentistry, we tried a lot of materials, starting of amalgam, composite, glass, ionomer, IRM, zinc oxide, everything. Till 1993, when Turabenjad came with a material called mineral trioxide aggregate, or MTA. And this material was launched commercially in 1999 by Dentsply, and they call it ProRoot, or MTA. Nowadays, we have a lot of brands of MTA and a lot of alternatives like bioceramic and biodynamic. But let's see this material. What are the components of this material? It's mineral trioxide. So it is composed of tricalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, tricalcium oxide silicate, dicalcium silicate, bismuth oxide. And remember this bismuth oxide, it's radio opacifier. It will help us to see the sitting time. Why this material is different? Why it is unique? Because this material, it does not require a dry field. We can apply it immediately on the blood. So it requires moist. Another thing, excellent sealing, high biocompatibility. It means if part of this material went out, it's okay. It will not cause inflammation. This material is osteoconductive. It will support cementoblast activity. This material stimulates regeneration, and this material is superior to others. So nowadays, if you have perforation, go for this material. Now, the second question, shall we use matrix? Shall we place barrier to prevent expulsion of this material outside? According to those two articles, they said MTA sits in the presence of moisture and does not require the use of internal matter. So in the old days, first I need to clean the area of perforation. I will clean it with ultrasonic scale. If I have perforation in the floor of pelvic chamber, I will take my ultrasonic scaler and clean it with ultrasonic scale. If there is a bleeding, I will take cotton pellet, press till the blood stops. The second thing, I will disinfect with what? With sodium hypochlorite. Concentration 2.5. Cotton pellet, sodium hypochlorite 2.5, and swag the air. Just disinfect. So, clean with scaler, disinfect with sodium hypochlorite. Now we want to close the perforation. I will go to either MTA, biodentine, or bioceramic, whatever you like. How to use this? We have two scenarios in our clinics. Either the patient comes and we have time, or we don't have time. If I have time, I will make root canal treatment today, close the perforation today. I don't have time, I will close the perforation today, next time I will make the root canal. Suppose we have time. What I am going to do, you can notice here, the previous dentist, if he made a perforation, so he was scared. There is gataberka and run away. And you can see the perforation. So what I'm going to do, I have 1 hour. In this 1 hour, I will make root canal treatment, then I will close the perforation. So where is the perforation? Here is the perforation. What I'm going to do, I will clean with ultrasonic scaler. Then I will disinfect with a cotton pellet with 2.5% sodium hypochlorite. Ready. Now, I am afraid I do root canal treatment. Part of my material will enter inside the perforation. So what I'm going to do, just place cotton pellet inside the perforation. Next, go for root canal treatment. I will make cleaning, shaping, irrigation, and obturation of the canal. Finished? Let's go for closing the perforation. I will remove the cotton pellet, mix empty air. Let's mix the empty air. Now I will take the empty air, I mix it with water. Nowadays we have easier than this. We can use pre-mixed bioceramic or biodentine. So I will mix it with the water. Let's mix it. Then after mixing the MTA, I will take the MTA and go to the perforated part and use condenser. Or I will use cotton pellet. Just I will pack MTA slowly and gently. So let's pack the MTA slowly and gently. You can use also cotton pellet just to press the MTA. Now MTA was placed. If you are using MTA, it needs time to set. So I will take wet cotton pellet to place it over the MTA. So I will place wet cotton pellet over the MTA. If you are using biodentine, 12 minutes. If you are using bioceramic, 15 minutes. MTA, next day. So now I place MTA. Next day, I ask the patient to come back. I will remove the temporary filling. We check the MTA is hard. Now I will place my final result. And that's it. So let's see another case. We have perforation here. I will remove this material which was placed. Root canal treatment, cleaning, shaping, duration. Then I will place the MTA. You are afraid of this overfilling? Let me show you this patient after 4 years. You can see here the bone growth. Let's see this case here. Forcation involvement, bone loss due to perforation. I have time, root canal, I will clean the perforated part, then place cotton pellet, then cleaning, shaping, obturation, then I will use MTA. So, let's place MTA. And you can see here, once you are placing the MTA, let's see this patient after 1 year. You can see here, after just 1 year, you have complete healing and bone growth. So once you have perforation, close it. What if we don't have time? If I don't have time, my priority is to close perforation. So we have perforation here. So I will start with cleaning and disinfection. And instead of placing cotton pellet inside the perforation where I will place the cotton pellet, I will place it inside the orifices. Now, I will mix MTA, place it in the perforated part. Then when I finish, I will place wet cotton pellet and ask the patient to come next time. So next time, this is immediately after repairing with the MTA. Next time, when the patient come back, I will make root canal treatment. So he came next time. You can see the MTA is hard now. Now I will make cleaning, shaping, obturation, and this is the final result. Let's see this patient after 1 year. We are doing here. This dentist